Okay, next up, third and final batch, we have Oliver. Please give him a big welcome.
Hey everyone, how's it going? My name's Oliver. No dance moves. So, hey everyone, my name's Oliver, and thanks for having my alligator up on the screen. It paid off the $3 I spent for it on VecDaisy. So, I'm the founder of clauseImpact. clauseImpact aims to shift the balance of power in rental agreements towards tenants and away from landlords. My own personal story. A tiny blue dot must have been like a millimeter or two in diameter. What's the value of that in terms of a bond, you might ask? According to the rental agency, half of it, $900 for a tiny blue dot, near invisible to the naked eye. You really had to get down to the floor and look at it really closely to try and actually see it. And you can see there's a tiny blue dot there in case you were looking for it. So I argued against it, and I talked to the tenancy union, and they said no, wear and tear. So I won that battle, got my full bond back. Rental agreements are complex. The standard agreement provided by New South Wales Fair Trading spans across 17 pages. And each tenant is expected to read and understand at least 150 legal clauses within a tenancy agreement. In doing so, they need to do their own due diligence to work out whether those clauses themselves are enforceable. On the right, you can see an example of a set of clauses which cover a tenant's responsibilities regarding a swimming pool. And you'll see some things in there that the tenants are responsible for making sure that the pool maintains required water levels, for maintaining the pool water condition. And what do these things mean? So the tenant has to do their own legal interpretation and try to figure this out. I can skip this one, I'm sure. We've got about 7 million renters from private landlords in Australia. This is a growing number. So what's the solution? A platform for tenants. So what we've built is that tenants upload a copy of their rental agreement. We extract the legal clauses from this agreement. We compare the clauses against the standard agreement provided by the regulator, in this case, New South Wales Fair Trading. And we provide the tenant with a report detailing what the differences are and what they should look into. I'm going to skip the demo. I'm not going to mess with the video gods. Oh, wait, did I get it? I have no choice. Okay, so we allow the user to upload a document, in this case, tenancy agreement in New South Wales. They choose a file. So this is a PDF copy of their tenancy agreement. They tick some consent boxes around data. And at the moment, they get an email report within about 2 minutes of uploading the tenancy agreement. So what does this contain? So it has a breakdown of which clauses are matched, so are in the standard agreement and their agreement, what's additional to the standard agreement, and what's missing from the standard agreement, as well as a breakdown of the categories for the additional clauses, and then details of each clause within the tenancy agreement, as well as the path for that clause. See if I can skip this quickly. Okay, sweet. We've got about 30 seconds. So approach to monetization, tenancy agreements are a rich data source. So you've got stuff like the standard occupancy and rental amounts. You've got information on smoke alarms, utilities, parking, swimming pools, tradespersons, etc. Skip this. In terms of the ask, I'm interested in talking to industry advisors and anyone passionate about building B2C RegTech. If you'd like to help me test, head to clauseimpact.com and feel free to reach out via oliver@clauseimpact.com. Thanks, everyone. Any questions?
Can you build this for term sheets?
Great question. The first component that's built that powers this is a generalized legal clause extractor. So there's nothing specific about that in tenancy agreements. Tenancy agreements is where I'm applying the matching and the insights on top of that. So yes, there are a variety of different use cases I'm looking at. Spanning insurance, spanning employment, in terms of where to apply that clause extractor and where we can get insights from it. Thank you.